Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, down in the basement, looking for some lumber for my next project. Gotta make a window box for my outdoor refrigerator. Let me flip this around and you can see what we're gonna grab. Yeah, well we'll grab that one right there, the painted one. Nice and wide. That'll work good for the walls, and we'll use that one right next to it for the bottom. Let's grab them and go upstairs. Time to start cutting. Uh-huh. Couple more to go. Try and get it in the center. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Now, got to do more of the same on the rest of it. Well, there's the basic box. All I got to do now is put a bottom on it with that board. The last screw. Oh, dang. That didn't hit nothing. I think we need a bigger screw. Or maybe we'll just go without a pilot hole. Yeah. Be right back. Got to attach a couple pieces of recycled plumber's tape here, and then I'll be able to hang it in the window. Well, there you have it. One rooftop window cooling box, or ice box, whatever you want to call it. No more losing beers off the roof.